I've been involved with open source since the early 90s with the Linux ecosystem. I've watched how the open source mindset or open source licenses, in software that was licensed under open source licenses, has evolved over time. So right now, the use of open source is more popular than ever. People release more things under open source licenses than ever before. Companies are using it, whether they know it or not, more than ever. Yet despite all of this, I would say that the core ideas in open source are very simple and maybe not as widely adopted. Actually, perhaps even to some extent, less popular now. So I really think it's important to draw a distinction between using open source software and releasing a single thing under software, open source licenses, and actually having a collaboration in an open source ecosystem. So creating community. That community concept is really important. It's about shared values that have an aspect of technical merit and technical vision, but also there's a lot of human factors that go into it. That community part of open source is something that gets, I think, ignored or lost if people just view open source as being synonymous with free software. I just get free stuff. Well, who doesn't like free stuff? Free stuff is great, right? But if you are not going to interact and be part of that community in a good way, then you're not really part of the open source community. You're using free software. You can't tell the difference between just free and an open source community. And an example of this, actually very pointedly, I was having a conversation with Wes many years ago. And because I was congratulating him on how pandas are getting more popular and all these things are growing and the ecosystem is growing. And he said, well, yeah, it's a bit of a mixed bag, right? Because now I see people showing up on the issue trackers saying, hey, I have to use pandas for my job and this thing is broken. When are you going to fix it, right? And that kind of entitlement mentality is that's not an open source community. That's not the right mentality. So I think the mainstreaming of the use of open source software unfortunately loses something. That when you're on the other side of the mainstream adoption curve, people like it because it's popular, or people use it because they have to. Maybe they don't even like it very much, but they have to because work told them this is the technology stack they have to use. Well, that's very different than the early days of open source when it's a lot of innovators and people who are just picking up whatever they want to, and they pick something up because they like it. And they show up on the mailing list because they're interested in making it better. So it's important to talk about these things, because if we don't, then in the conversation about open source, it becomes much more about, is this free stuff good for business to use? And that's an entirely different conversation than how can people be part of a community that makes high quality and innovative things. Those are two vastly, vastly different conversations. And so when you talk about businesses using open source, or businesses, there'll be startups that show up and they'll say, hey, we make this really great open source tool, we put it out there. That's fine, that's great, but sometimes that's being done as a way of getting cheap attention. Sometimes that's done as a way of just saying, please try our thing. It's not really like if more people showed up in the community and said, hey, your thing is great, we want to put all these additional patches into it. What does that startup do then? Does that startup say, well, I don't want to do that because that's not what my vision was for this project? Or do they say, yes, we'll take it all in, and then by the way, we're going to build this product on it and make all this money, and you guys in the community are okay with that, right? These are very hard conversations, right? We've certainly been in the middle of some of the crossfire on this ourselves. But at the same time, the way that businesses run today, they cannot function without open source. Open source is way more effective as a abundance mentality collaboration mechanism. Open source is way more effective than capitalism because it's people who care showing up to build something of technical quality. It's craftsmen showing up, putting their time and resources into it, so you're gonna get something really good coming out of it. But then when businesses try to use open source or engage with open source, they come from a zero-sum mentality, or they come from a very transactional mentality. There's just an impedance mismatch between those two cultures. We've certainly tried to bridge some of that ourselves at Anaconda for customers, but we see people struggle with it all the time.